Hello everybody, my name is Syed Abbas and today I'm going to read my own readings of week 12. There were three papers given. Out of that, the first paper is titled Four Theses on Digital Mass Surveillance and the Negotiation of Privacy. The author is Antonio Caselli and it was published in 2015. So the few points about it is the first point is governments push for more privacy invasive surveillance techniques on the grounds that the commercial entities are already taking liberties with citizens' personal data. This was on the page 2 of the article. The second point is the current debate over mass surveillance is trapped within a false dichotomy between privacy and security. This point is also on the page 2. The third point is the surveillance system is constantly fed by very subjects it monitors. So basically, whatever it monitors, it is fed by on its own data. That's what the point means. And the fourth point is the historical parenthesis of privacy would supposedly be about to close as part of an inevitable and spontaneous transformation of behaviors and beliefs of social media users. The next point is the World Economic Forum was already describing personal data as a type of emerging asset as early as 2011. These were the few points about it. The next article, which I'm going to read, is titled Workplace Surveillance and Employee Privacy Implementing an Effective Use Policy. The author is Scott Cox, Tanya Gote, and Dale Young, published again in 2015. The first point is as a result of an ambiguity of privacy law, courts must decide on a case by case basis whether an employee has a reasonable expectation of privacy. This was on page 59 of the article, which says courts have to decide case by case. The next point is there are delicate issues of trust and loyalty that should be addressed in order to preserve the culture of the organization. The next point, the internet can be a tremendous distraction to employees with internet access. That's true. Employers must be careful when monitoring not to violate labor or anti-discrimination laws by targeting specific employees. So these were the couple of points from this. The next paper titled is Employer Surveillance versus Employee Privacy, the New Reality of Social Media and Workplace Privacy. Author is Gaurav Sabi, published in 2013. The first point is a full explication of such query will necessitate a decoupling from the context of surveillance to the more fundamental issue of individual privacy. With technology's capability to expand in various dimensions, the ambit of employer surveillance is expanded. The quantitative aspect is derived from the fact that the means of evaluation is dependent on identifying society's reasonable expectation, a more measurable and identifiable framework. These were the couple of points from the three readings which I had written and posted for week 12. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.